I wish you all a happy Thursday. Today is 30th April and this is Kotak's morning call on the equity setup. Listeners, you are all welcome. Let's talk about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks and sectors in brief. US stocks closed higher almost by 500 points. US futures are trading flat, but Singapore Nifty is trading over 150 points. Today is the most crucial day for the market. Impact of the Fed meeting, the economy view from the ECB, Nifty giants, namely Reliance Industries, Hindustan Lever, are set to announce their quarterly numbers. Technically, monthly closing, weekly closing, monthly expiration of F&O segment, and finally the long weekend. All these things are very crucial for the day, and based on that, we are going to see the overall activity in the market. Yesterday, on Wednesday, Nifty broke out and reached the level of 9,600. Impossible became possible, and that too in just a single day. Option statistics have changed a lot, and we have to be careful while adding long positions at higher levels. Nifty PCR of the same month moved to 1.37. For the next month also it is somewhere around 1.40, which is an indication of overbought in the short term. But at the same time, it shows that the markets are in the firm grip of bulls. So we can say that markets are in the firm grip of bulls, and the strategy should be to look for adding long positions in stocks if market corrects. Now the question is how to participate in the market after opening with a huge gap of 150 points over its previous close. In case Nifty is opening above the level of 9,700, then the chances of hitting 9,770, 9,800 would turn bright. It has resistance of 50 DMA somewhere around 9,800 to 9,830. So there we have to be careful. However, buying is advisable if Nifty corrects to 9,600 without hitting 9,800. Bank Nifty did extremely well on Wednesday. It was up by almost 2%. By here also, the buying is advisable if it corrects to 21,100 or 21,150. Resistance exists at 21,500 and 21,750. There we have to be careful. Momentum witnessed in IT and auto stocks in the second half of the trading session on Wednesday. We like Infosys, TCS from the IT space. We also like Eicher Motors, Escorts and Hero Motors from the auto segment. NBFCs and financials are trading at their resistance level, and yesterday HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, even State Bank did extremely well, but currently they are very close to their resistance level. So we need to be careful while adding long position if they are opening higher with a gap of almost 4-5%. But still, we like ICICI Bank as well as Bajaj Financial Services, Bajaj Finserv, if they falls to their important support areas. As the global markets are booming, we can expect value buying in metal companies. And here we like Hindalco as well as Tata Steel. Tata Steel has made a multiple bottom somewhere around 250-255 levels, and it is currently trading at 283-284 levels. So yesterday's close was around 283. We can again expect 300-305 where it has multiple resistance levels. Hindalco has already validated double bottom on intraday basis, so there also we can expect further more momentum. On Wednesday, pharma and FMCG stocks were under pressure. With a medium term view, we should certainly start buying in select stocks like Sun Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy. From the FMCG space, we like HUL. It was around 2650 some few days back. Currently, it is trading at 2250, 2230, and ITC has already confirmed its double bottom formation. So we should look for buying these stocks at current levels, more on declines, buy in tranches, but keep a view of at least next 15 to 20 days. Friends, that's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning call here. See you again tomorrow morning. Till then, all of you stay happy and stay safe.